All right, so when it comes to embedding a YouTube video on Blogger, the most important thing you want to make sure that you have is the right embed code. So I'm gonna show you the code that most people use, and then I'm gonna show you the code that I use, which is ultimately gonna get you more views, and you're gonna see exactly why I say that, all right? So let's go ahead and get started. So right now I'm inside of my Blogger account, right? This is actually the blog for this particular YouTube channel that you're watching right now. So if you wanna read some of the stuff, you can actually come over here and do that. But besides that, what we wanna do is I'm gonna go over here to a video of mine, right? So most people, in order for them to get an embed code, what they're gonna do is they're gonna go to their video like this, and then what they're gonna do is they're gonna right click inside this area here, and then they're gonna click copy embed code. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna go through the process just like most people would do, and then I'm gonna show you the right embed code, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go back over here to Blogger. I'm gonna hit new post and give it a few seconds to pop up. And then what I'm gonna do, since I'm using an embed code, I wanna go ahead and click right here on this drop down, and I wanna go to HTML view, okay? So now what I'm gonna do from here is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just paste my code in just like this. Okay, so here's my code. And then what I wanna do is I wanna hit preview. All right, so boom, there's the video right there, right? Now, it's a couple things I want you to pay close attention. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the right code real quick, and then we're gonna come back over here and I'm gonna show you the comparison. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna hit publish. Let's just name this test blog. All right, and then I'm gonna hit publish. All right, so I just confirmed that one. That way it actually goes live, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit new post again, and then make sure it's on HTML like that. And then now I'm gonna go over here to my blogging template. And this is actually based off another video that I did showing people how to actually create blog posts and actually add everything in. But right here, what I have is the correct embed code, okay? And I'll have this on a document down below, so you could just click the link down below to get access to it. But this is the correct one. And then what I wanna do is I wanna go right over here, and I want to paste this one in there, and then I'll just call this test blogger, okay? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit publish on this, hit confirm, and once both of them are live, I'm gonna pull them up and I'm gonna show the comparison between the two. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit open on this one, and then I'm gonna go back and hit open on the other one. Okay, so the things that you gotta pay attention to for this is, let me make sure I'm looking at the right one first. Okay, so let's go to this one first. All right, so let's take a look. So on this one, which is the basic code that most people use, where I right click on the YouTube video, and as you can see, it has the share button, it has the watch later, it has the link, and a person can literally just click over and it'll take them over to YouTube. But see, the issue with this, which will cause you to lose views, is a person could be on your blog post, and then while they're watching your video, if at any point they pause, it's gonna show other people's related videos and not just yours, which could ultimately get them to go away from your channel, right? So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if I hit play, all right, so I'm gonna show you. All right, so see when I hit pause, you see all these different videos. So obviously this is mine, but these other ones aren't mine. So if I keep going to the right like this, then you can see all of these aren't mine. Now, the same thing happens at the end of the video. Let's say a person gets to the end of the video, I see my end screen coming up, but then when I hit the play button, watch this. And then I'll hit save once I'm actually done with it. But this is how it will look to the person that's gonna be watching your video. Okay, boom. So only my video right here, and then another video of mine, and then all the rest of these are not mine, right? Same issue. Now, if we go over here to my embed code, watch what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit play. If you're looking for, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hit pause. So notice with my embed code, not only are they watching my video, but now they have all my videos. So even if I hit the arrow to go all the way over there, it's nothing but my videos. And that's a lot more powerful for you if you really think about it, right? And the same thing happens if I hit the X here and I go all the way to the end of the video, the same thing is gonna happen. Boom. If you're looking for, dang, right there. So hold on, let me go back. All right, hit play. All right, so check it out. Once again, all of my videos, and that is what you want, because once they get to the end, now they can click over to YouTube and all they're gonna see is you. Oh yeah, one more thing, because I almost forgot the most important part, which is how do you actually use the code, okay? So just pay attention real quick. Okay, so this right here is the code. Like I showed you earlier, it's the same one, but the thing that we need to change is the video ID, okay? So right here, this is the video ID for this particular video right here, right? Well, how do you actually get yours? Well, first you need to go into the YouTube studio, and let's just say this was your video right here. What you wanna do is you wanna click right here where the video link is. You wanna go ahead and click click copy video link, and then you want to take it over here to a blank screen or whatever you want to do so you can actually paste this out. And then the ID you want to grab is this particular ID right here. You want to copy, and then if I want to change it, I would come right here behind the question mark, okay? Well, in front of it, sorry, and then just paste it just like that. And then once you do that, you go ahead and paste, you copy this, and then you go over and paste it on your Blogger post.